Red kidney beans are known for their high nutritious value and also in the support and control of diabetes, things like blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, and that is the reason why it is my item of choice in my recipe today. I'm yours, Peter_M_I. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share my video. And stay tuned to see how I prepare my red beans. It's always important to start off by soaking the beans a night before the day of cooking, which I already have in this case. I have drained the water and seasoning the beans, and also going to add a fresh amount of water using a pressure cooker and boil these beans for about 40 minutes, after which they'll have become well cooked, as you can see from the video. And also I'm going to prepare some of the condiments that I need to prepare these beans. I'm going to start off by adding some cooking oil. After, I'm going to follow by adding onions, mustard seeds, the diced tomatoes, cover it and let it cook for a while. I'm also going to add some fenugreek seeds, after which I'm going to also add capsicum, and also I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste that I prepared earlier. For the spices, I'm adding turmeric, chili powder, curry powder, and some cumin powder. After this, I'm going to leave that to cook for a while as I separate some beans on the side, which I'm going to add into a small blender and blend it so that it can be thick as a thickening agent for the beans. I'm going to pour it into the mixture that I'm cooking, after which I'm going to also add my beans, the beans that I had boiled previously. I'm going to bring that to a boil, and then I'm also going to sprinkle some dhania or cilantro leaves on top to finish off, and also I'm going to check the seasoning. I'd like to welcome others to also try it out, and also don't forget to like, leave a comment, share. I appreciate the love. Let's keep building the channel, and see you next time.